Hello everyone! Let's explore some handy TUKAcad shortcuts. Today, we will learn how to grade a contour waistband in TUKA Design by using the angle tool. First, make a copy of the contour waistband. Then, go to the grading toolbar and select the Delete All option to delete the current grading. Then, select Current Piece Only and click OK. Now, to open the grading table, either go to the View toolbar and select Grading Table, or press the shortcut Ctrl plus F4. Then select the grade point by pressing Ctrl plus mouse wheel to zoom in or out. After that, enable the angle function and click on the Previous Point option to follow the angle from the previous point. The small arrow signifies positive X, and the opposite direction signifies negative X. The big arrow signifies positive Y, and the opposite direction signifies negative Y. Now enter the required grading values. After that, click on the Next Point option to follow the angle to the next point and enter the grading values. Now, we will try this process in a faster way. Make another copy and repeat the same process to delete the current grading. Then, select the segment to rotate the piece horizontally according to the selected segment, and click on the Rotate Horizontal tool. Now, disable angle grading and select the grade point. Then, enter the required grading value. Then, click on the Copy Grading tool, click on the Next Point option, and then click on the Paste Grading tool. After that, click on the Rotate to Grain Line tool. And it is done!